Let's solve the rectangular field problem. A rectangular field is to be enclosed by number of pieces. If the length of the field is twice its width, and its area is 200 square meters, find the dimensions of the field and the maximum number of pieces that can cover it. Let's visualize the problem with a rectangle representing the field. The length and breadth of the field is denoted as L and B respectively. Given that the length is twice the breadth, we can write L equals 2B. The area of the field is given as 200 square meters. Let's solve the problem. So, the first question is, what are the dimensions of the field? To find the dimensions, we can use the area formula. On solving, we get the breadth as 10 meters and the length as 20 meters. Now, the second question is, how many pieces of size 5 meters by 4 meters are needed to cover the field? Let's represent the piece of size 5 meters by 4 meters with a smaller rectangle. Area is 20 square meters. Now, let's calculate the number of pieces needed. And the final answer is that we need 10 pieces to cover the field. To visualize this, let's rotate the piece and fit it into the field. All of the small pieces are merged to get the total area of the field. We have our answer. For first question, breadth equals 10 meters and length equals 20 meters. Likewise, for the second question, we need 10 pieces of size 5 meters by 4 meters to cover the field. Thank you for watching.